Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel Contract Simplified. I'm Advocate Kritika here today with a new video all about special clause in the contract. Before looking at the clause and framing of it and all other aspects, let us have a imaginary scenario. Here I have Arjun and Neha. Arjun is a freelance web developer, and Neha, she runs a successful digital marketing agency. Now they have agreed to come together to do a certain business. And here goes their conversation. Arjun, now it's confirmed that we are proceeding with this collaboration. Let's discuss what we need to include in contract. Agreeing to this, Arjun states, yes, Neha, I was thinking about something to ensure that neither of us speaks negatively about each other or our work. We need to protect our reputations. Neha says, that's great idea, Arjun, but I'm not sure how can we put that into legal terms. Arjun very intelligently says, even I'm not sure either. Maybe we should ask our legal counsel for advice on this. And both of them approaches Advocate Patel, who is their legal counsel. Neha starts, Advocate Patel, Arjun and I want to include something in our partnership agreement to make sure we don't speak negatively about each other or our work. How can you do that? Advocate Patel states, that's very important aspect to consider. What you are referring to can be addressed with non-disparagement clause. Arjun states, a non-disparagement clause? What is that exactly? Explaining this, Advocate Patel states, it prevents either party from making any negative statements or comments about the other publicly. It helps to protect your professional reputation and maintain a positive image. Neha exclaims, that sounds perfect. How does it work? Advocate Patel further explains, the clause will clearly define what constitutes disparagement, such as false statement, damaging remark, and any action that could harm your public image. Curious Arjun asks, what if there's a dispute or breach of the clause? Advocate Patel states, we will also include consequences for breaching of the clause, such as financial penalties or other remedies. We can include a provision for mediation or arbitration to resolve any disagreements about the interpretation or enforcement of the clause. Arjun grows further curious and he asks, how is different from a defamation clause? Advocate Patel says, good question. While both clauses aim to protect reputation, a defamation clause specifically addresses false statements that can damage someone's reputation and are typically illegal under defamation laws. A disparagement clause, on the other hand, is broader and covers any negative comments, not just false ones, to prevent any harm to your professional image. Neha asks, that makes sense. So how do we include this in our agreement? Advocate Patel reads out the case. Neither party shall, during the term of this agreement, thereafter, make any false, misleading, or disparaging statements, whether written or oral, about the other party, business practices, or its products or services. This includes, but is not limited to, comments made in any public forum, including social media, professional networks, or any other public communication channels. Any breach of this clause shall result in remedies, including financial penalties, as determined appropriate by arbitration or mediation. Listening to this, Neha and Arjun states, thank you, Advocate Patel. This sounds exactly like what we need to ensure a respectful professional relationship. So this is all about the non-disparagement clause. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to the channel and also share the same with your friends.